If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to JASMY video update. Right, so I've been outside just a little bit and there's a technical target that I gave you, and that is actually up to 7344 as long as you don't invalidate this pattern. I told you the best stop loss was here. Now there was another stop loss I told you, which is 4918, and they did a stop loss hunt right over there, made a quick wick down here, boom, pushed to the upside. And that's really bad and tough to experience as a trader, honestly. And right now at this point of time, what I can say is the following: you actually came down, take the stop losses, move up, the technical target is met, but I do think the main target is actually up to 9617. Now I don't know if JASMY is actually going to move all the way to the upside. This is still a resistance up here, and I'm going to tell you that resistance in a second. So you do have this place of another sell-off. So maybe if you're in profits, you might consider taking some profits, because I mean, long term, I'm not judging long term. I don't know about what happens in the long term. But in trading, trading vice here, you have this rejection there, and that's where the massive sell-off started. So if you do get rejected here, you're gonna see a little bit of blood coming in for JASMY as well. So be careful, guys. Nothing else. I do think this was the main target that I think was in play, the most important target. Now you do have this target as well. Don't get me wrong. You do have another target up here, which is actually 97 or 98. But I think it's tough to say if they're going to do anything like that. All you can expect, maybe it would be a good idea to say, if you break out of it, of this resistance here and backtest, and hold that key resistance, then you can freely move up to this another supply zone where you had this rejection number 1, rejection number 2, and you come up here, maybe get another rejection. Who knows, if you get too bullish, you cross this and then continue higher, so you keep stepping off the ladder. Now this one is going to be a challenge. Now can you break this and continue higher? That's a challenge over there. And that's it for this JASMY update. We'll see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.